For our Marina portal, we launched this one already a few months ago, and a lot of seafarers already have tried to access the portal. So as of September 24 at 3 p.m. today, there are already 57,971 seafarers have already registered. But if you look at the other tabs, there are 464 seafarers have updated their records for the first dose, and followed by 30 seafarers have updated for their second dose. On the bottom part, there are 2,063 who are fully vaccinated, and there are 55,441 who are not vaccinated. The, the purpose of this webinar this afternoon is to enhance the accessibility and the information drive of Marina to the seafarers to update their records. We, from the technical working group, um, consolidated this data and develop and enhance the portal in the benefit of the seafarers. So we have deciphered that most of the problems of the seafarers are not on the registration, but more on the updating of the records. So one of the reasons that why records are not updated, because most of them have forgotten their passwords. So please take note of this. For those who have forgotten their passwords, please email us at covax@mail.marina.gov.ph for us to update you and reset your passwords. So without further ado, we will go now for the demonstrations of an actual facilitation of the Marina portal. Thank you, everyone.
Good afternoon to everyone and sa lahat po ng ating manning agencies and to our seafarers na nakatutok sa ating live na Zoom. For the registration of the seafarers account for this portal, first they need to have a valid email address for the registration process. First, they need to click the register now button so they can proceed with the registration. Then they need to choose whether it is domestic or international. For this demonstration, we will be choosing the international. Now, the seafarers need to provide the complete and proper information, starting with the email address. And for this, I am using a dummy account. They can skip from putting their middle name and also with the suffixes kung wala naman po. And for this one, for the international, they need to provide their SRN number. Okay. Input the proper password. After providing the proper information of the seafarer, they can click the show password to verify if their password and confirm password are the same. And after that, they need to select the I have read and hereby agree to the terms of usage of this portal, and then proceed with the sign up. You will see that we have successfully registered the account of the seafarer. Now we are ready to log in our account. Okay. After signing up our account, we will see a notification message that we need to go to the update info button for us to update our profile information.
Okay, go to the update info button and then provide the necessary informations. We will be choosing our birthday. For this one, yung seafarer po, they need to choose their proper manning agency. So we have the list of the accredited license manning agency in alphabetical order. For this demonstration, I will not be choosing any of the agencies kasi po magkakaroon ito ng not proper information doon naman po sa side ng agency. But for the seafarers, kailangan po nilang piliin yung tama nilang agency. And then the next one, choose your civil status. So we have 5 choices here. Single, married, widowed, separated, and divorced. So provide your mobile number or contact number. And then your home address. Also select your region. For this one, I will be choosing the NCR. And then save all the changes you made in your account. Okay, a confirmation will show that the user successfully added all of the necessary information. After filling out the basic information, this manning agency, dapat po meron ito para doon sa ating mga seafarers. And for the vaccination site and appointment date, later po magkakaroon yan ng information. And then the next one, after po nating i-update yung ating information, we need to go to the update vaccination record. So a question will pop out if you are vaccinated, yes or no. For this one, for this demonstration, we will be choosing no. And then we need to provide yung ating gusto pong vaccination area. For this one, I will be choosing Manila. Kung makikita ninyo po, konti pa lang yung list na nandito sa ating vaccination site, but we will update the complete list for this one. And then you need to choose your priority group, your sub-priority group, provide information if you have allergies to vaccines or if you have responsibilities. Para sa mga seafarers po, you can ask for your priority group and sub-priority group para po proper yung information na mailalagay natin dito. And then after filling that out, we need to submit. And then a message will show that it is successfully updated. Okay. After updating our record, we will be directed to the appointment stage in our Covac portal. But you can see we have here the slot viewing para makita nyo po yung available slots per month and per location. And for this demonstration, we have 3 locations, we have 3 areas. We have Las Piñas, Manila, and Dinalupihan. We will also update the slot viewing for the complete list. To view the other months, please click the next button. Yan, para makita ninyo po yung other months. Okay. If you have a preferred date and location, you may proceed with the appointment. And then, makikita nyo po dito yung pinili natin na vaccination site before dun sa pag-update ng ating records, mag-a-appear na po siya dito. So we don't need to make any changes. Wala na po tayong kailangan palitan. And for the schedule, para po mag-appear sila, as you can see, initially, blank po lahat yan. Kailangan po natin piliin yung time, if it is AM or PM, and then submit. Now, makikita ninyo po na nagbago na yung ating schedule. May mga nag-pop up na schedule for different areas. Makikita nyo din po dito yung available slot for each location, and the same with the available time for the vaccination. Kung ano po yung pinili nyo na vaccination site doon sa pag-update ng health record, automatically yun na lang po yung mag-a-appear sa mga available schedule for the vaccination. Hindi na po mag-a-appear dito yung from other areas. So for this one, pili po tayo. For example, LGU Manila, they have 8 slots available from 9 to 10. Yan. Click lang po natin yon, and then click the set appointment. Okay, so we have successfully updated. For some areas like Manila, meron po silang specific site wherein you need to also register for their vaccination program. Okay. Confirm ko lang po if may nakikita kayo na sample another website. Hello ma'am, can you confirm po kung may nakikita kayo?
Yes sir, meron po.
Okay. Then after filling that out, kung may mga LGUs o may mga areas, please fill out na lang po yung necessary informations. And then going back to our Covac portal, yan, nakapag-create na po tayo ng appointment, and heading back to the My Profile, we will now see that we have the vaccination site information along with the appointment date na pinili po natin kanina. And we also have 2 buttons here for confirm appointment and cancel appointment. So to proceed with our registration, kindly choose the confirm appointment. so that your appointment will be recorded. All right. Yeah. And for those asking na what if hindi sila makapag-proceed with their appointment schedule, we also have provided the cancel appointment button on the other side. So, pwede po kayong mag-cancel ng inyong appointment and your slots will be given to those na kailangan ng schedule. Please do it ng mas maaga para po yung ating um, assigned staff mas makapag-prepare po sila ng maaga para sa rearrangement ng schedule. Here in the last section of our Covac portal, a brief information of the seafarer can be seen here along with their SRN number. Okay. For this one, I will be canceling this appointment to also demonstrate if you have choose in the vaccination record the yes button. So for this one, you need to provide the information in your vaccination card. So for this, sample natin is yung local and then LGU site kung saan po na kayo na vaccine and then the brand of the vaccine. You may choose first dose or fully vaccinated and then provide the proper date. Okay, you will be asked here to upload a file. For this, kailangan nyo pong i-upload yung inyong vaccination card for the purpose of check and balance dun sa information na na-provide ninyo. And then after that, vaccination card, and after that, click the upload button. Okay, that would be all for the registration process in our Covac portal.